So I made myself lamb shoulder blade chops. I just stuck it in there. Well, I sprayed it with some of that olive oil spray. And I just laid it in there and turned this on. Just let it sit in there and do its thing. Let's see what it turns out to be. Oh boy. And simmering in its own simmering in its own juices. Wow. Come on. Oh boy. What? This one's good. That one's done. Put it on my plate. Oh boy. Wow. I got another one over here I'm getting ready to put on. This one thing I've been doing lately is I can get lamb. This is what do they call it? Lamb shoulder blade chop. $4. Look at that. You can't get beef for that amount. So I've been getting lamb. I cooked me up some lamb sticks. I'm going to show you this. Won't that look good? And I just put another one in there to cook. Check that out. Wonderful. This is lamb, which is sheep, of course. And I got this one at Publix. See if I can pull that over. So the lamb shoulder blade chop, 63 cents a pound, which is so much better than beef. I mean, in terms of pricing. And it smells so good when it cooks. So good. So anyway, I'm gonna have me some lamb shoulder blade chops for dinner. And I got me some wine to go with it. And I've been getting this Carlo Rossi Chablis, putting some ice in a glass and enjoying some Chablis. And the reason I get them in these big jugs here, these are gallon-sized jugs, is so that I can reuse these. And I'm gonna have a video coming up soon where I actually reuse these jugs and make my own stuff, make my own wine and other things. I'm gonna try to make some tart cherry, what do they call it? It's kind of like a wine, but it's in between wine and liquor. I forget what they call them, but it's going to be a tart cherry liqueur, I guess you could say. But I'm going to use these jars. And so anyway, stay tuned. You'll see that. And I really love pistachios. So I got some pistachios to munch on. And I got some mixed with roasted almonds, roasted pecans, roasted pepitas, which I guess are pumpkin seeds, raw walnuts. No sugar added, dark chocolate drops. So that's going to be my dinner tonight. So anyway, look at that. This thing's already cooking. I'm just going to let it simmer in its own juices. And then I'm going to get me a knife and cut into it and enjoy my evening. Guess what? Da-da-da-da-da. I feel good. I feel good. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, I feel good. I'm going to eat some lamb shoulder blade chops. Look at that lamb shoulder blade chop.